Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the important topics of chemistry paper 2. So first of all, in the initial chapters, as you know that diffusion is a very important topic and it is very easy. Questions will come from this topic. Then there is another topic which is heating curve and cooling curve related to uh, when you heat the solid or when you boil the liquid. Then some questions some questions will come from these chapters like separation and purification, because majority of questions will come in paper 4, ATP, and you know that this chapter is related to ATP as well, like filtration, simple distillation, but you have to go through the definitions of these terms like filtration, simple distillation, and crystallization, and fractional distillation, and chromatography as well, right? Then there is another important chapter, atomic structure. In atomic structure, some questions must come related to isotopes, like the examples of isotopes, and identify which one of the following is are isotopes, right? So questions will come in this way. Then there is very important topic, that is ionic bonding. In ionic bonding, what will be the main the area to be focused, that should be the formation and examples, and then dot and cross diagrams. Then there will be some important physical properties of the ionic compounds, like they are solid in state, they have a high melting point and high boiling point. Then giant lattice structure, like of sodium chloride, and the properties. Then we have to follow the topic or focus the topic, that is covalent bonding after the ionic bonding. Same topics will be there, like formation, examples, dot and cross diagrams, then properties, and then we will discuss the joint molecular structure. And in this joint molecular structure, we have to discuss the allotropes. What are the allotropes? Means the compounds having same chemical formula but different physical, having same chemical properties but different physical properties, like diamond and graphite, one is conductor, one is not conductor, right? Then silicon dioxide as well. This will be the main area to be focused by the examiner. And then we will discuss the metallic bond as well, like definition, diagram, and properties. Then we will discuss the one of the very compulsory question, which is chemical equation, and in this they will give some chemical reactions, and you have to form the the chemical equation. Okay, then we will discuss the chemical equation and balancing the chemical equation and ionic equation. It's very compulsory question. Then next is metallic bond, definition and diagram and properties of metallic bond. And then chemical equation, we have discussed. In this chapter, the mole, we will discuss, we will have to calculate the number of moles, mass, volume, and concentration. Then we also have to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. They will give this questions from this area. This is important. Then we have to calculate the limiting reactant as well. Then at the end, percentage yield and percentage purity. Then very important chapter, as we know, that is acids, bases, and salts. We have to focus on the examples, properties, physical and chemical properties, uses, and then the main topic, types of oxides, like acidic, basic, amphoteric, and neutral oxide. Salt preparation is a very important topic, but in the paper 4. And then we will discuss very uh, common chapter, very you know important as well, that is oxidation reduction or redox reactions, right? They will give some reactions and we have to find whether this reaction is oxidation or reduction or redox reaction. Then at the end we will discuss the oxidizing agent and reducing agents. Examples of oxidizing agents are KMnO4 and potassium dichromate. What will be the color when you test the reducing agent, and what will be the color when you add KMnO4? It will be uh, purple to colorless, and when you add potassium dichromate you will get the color orange to green. And then this is potassium iodide reducing agent, and it is for the identification of the oxidizing agent. When you add this you will get the color that will be colorless to brown. So these were some important topics of chemistry, and there are some other important topics of the chemistry subject. um, I am sharing you the other topics, other important topics after some time. Thank you.